Hello, I'm Mark Norton, CEO of Epex Unity. Epex Unity is an Australian trading company founded in 2015, and today there is no doubt that it became the leader of prop trading, setting the rules of the game and forming the main trend of the industry. What is Epex Unity? First of all, we are the competent team of traders, financial coaches and specialists. Epex Unity is the finely tuned, meticulous process of trading, grand values of trading transactions, and world-class predictive analytics. Epex Unity is a constant monitoring of markets, trust, and stable connection with our partners and brokers built on the years of prosperous cooperation, brand new approaches to forming of the flows of profit and stability of the business, which is important for both traders and clients. What are the advantages of working with us? Since 2015, Epex Unity successfully demonstrates the smart and competent approach to trading, allowing us to rapidly increase our total income and the working capital. This gives our traders almost unlimited possibilities to sign deals, operating the huge credit line, receiving colossal profits. All these achievements are the direct result of the skillful work of our team. The years of successful trading allow us to start our activity on a brand new level, using the assets of the third parties. Our leading analysts are absolutely convinced that the new policy would allow Epex Unity to strengthen its position on the market and will break the ground in investment for partners and clients. Following this decision, Epex Unity launched a new investment platform, Epex Unity Online, which in a long-term perspective will bring together the invested resources and profit generation. It couldn't be safer and more profitable than to become our investor and enjoy the stable passive income, or to join our team of partners and build your career with us. Your investment and your business are secured by perhaps the best trading team in the world, who applies the most professional and profitable strategy. Welcome to Epex Unity.